Local news for Tuesday the 2nd of April. An informal discussion will take place tonight regarding the proposed Wairarapa consolidated bylaws. South Wairarapa residents are invited to tonight's 6 o'clock meeting in the Greytown Town Hall to discuss the proposed changes. Typically, bylaws will cover things such as activities that can and can't be done in public spaces, prevention of nuisance from fire or smoke, the keeping of animals and water supply. Submissions on this close on the 5th. Today's the last day to complete the Business Wairarapa Business Confidence Survey as well. And the Lakeview Swimming Pool has gone to the dogs again this Saturday, with the popular Dogs and Togs returning at 10 a.m. The annual Skyline Challenge will take place at the end of this month, Sunday the 28th of April, set on private farmland. The family-friendly event gives everyone the chance to experience mountain bike riding around local farm hills and trails. Courses are also available for runners. And in sport, the Pioneer Rugby Club will field only one side this year in the Senior Reserve competition. All other clubs have confirmed they will compete in this year's competition, which commences on Saturday.